Welcome to this 10-minute Savasana meditation, perfect for after any yoga practice or as a preparation to go to bed or just anytime you need to relax your body. We'll begin by coming down to the ground or the bed, reaching the arms out and rolling the spine down gently, vertebra by vertebra with control. And as you land, just push your feet into the ground and give your pelvis a gentle half tuck, pushing your hips down into the support beneath you before reaching out one leg and the other nice and long, adjusting your hips and low back as needed. Push your shoulders into the ground, opening the chest and outwardly rotating those upper arms. Lengthen through the back of the neck, open through the feet and your hips. And once you have your position, make sure there's no last minute adjustments and just begin to soften in here. Relaxing the whole body, softening and releasing tension. Feel your whole body just sinking down, relaxing all the muscles of your scalp. Softening the muscles between your eyebrows and all the little muscles behind your eyes and around your eyes, and the eyeballs themselves. Let them roll up into your head. Relax your jaw. Feel your teeth parting slightly as your tongue softens in the mouth, and let your neck soften. Relax your shoulders here, releasing tension. There's always more tension in your shoulders. Let them go as your arms grow heavy and your palms open and release. Relax your chest and your belly. Let your whole spine sink down as your upper back, your middle back, and your low back all release, relax. Soften your hips and your glutes, the bottoms of your thighs and the tops of your thighs. Soften your knees, your calves, your shins and your ankles. Relax your heels, the bottoms of your feet and the tops of your feet, and all 10 toes. Feel your whole body here, completely relaxed, softening more and more the longer you lie here, supported by the ground or the bed beneath you, completely safe to just let everything go.
Slowly begin to bring yourself back into your body, moving your fingers and your toes, connecting with the ground or the bed beneath you, maybe moving your head side to side, opening and closing your hands, moving your feet, shifting your hips side to side. Reaching up overhead, point through your toes and get a nice full body stretch here. You can stay here and relax and sleep, or you can roll over to one side and come into a fetal position. Maybe use your arm as a pillow and relax here for a few deep breaths, feeling your whole body, feeling how relaxed you are here, and feeling your breath. And then use your top arm to push into the ground beneath you and come back up to a seated position. Folding your legs, you can keep your eyes closed and just connect your sits bones down to the ground. Find a nice long spine. Roll your shoulders back and down. Your hands can rest on your thighs or come into Gyan Mudra. And connect with your breath. Relax the shoulders down away from your ears. Softening your low belly here. Connect with your breath. Feel your whole body. The hands can float up to heart center. Inhale a nice tall spine here. And as you exhale, bow the head gently towards the fingertips. And just notice how this position turns you inwards. Relax your shoulders. Breathe here. Maybe smile to yourself and thank yourself for showing up for this lovely practice. See you again on the mat soon. Namaste.